Welcome to the allotment. Today I'm going to do some plants in the greenhouse. I've got some flowers to do and some vegetables to put in. I can't remember which ones, so I'll show you when I get in there. But not a bad day down here today. It's a bit little bit windy, but the sun's out, and so when I get set up in there, I'll show you what I'm going to do, and so see you soon. Hi everybody, sorry I lost my mic, but I'll just give you an idea of what I'm doing. I opened a packet of flower seeds, and we filled the tray up with soil. So as you can see, I'm trying to get a pack of seeds opening. Sometimes it can be difficult. I'll do voiceover for so much that I'll put some music, because there's a couple that's like this. So unfortunately the battery ran out on my mic and I didn't realise. So as I say, getting the seeds out, and we're sorting what there is. As I say, showing you small seeds. I think they're sweet peas. So popping them into the tray. Me camera's on the side of the thing, and I had no indication that the microphone had gone off, and it wasn't later on you'll find out in the last seed, because I had to do the last seed again. That's when I realised I had no microphone. Just one of those things that happens. So as I say, putting seeds in, and we'll just carry on doing that. Okay, the last, I checked the video back and I've noticed the last couple of videos have got no sound on. Nothing I can do about that, so I'll have to do a voiceover on. But this is what we've done, what you'll have seen us doing with no sound. Probably put a voiceover on. So our courgettes are growing well. They're going to need potting on. Cucumbers need potting on. So this is what I've done this morning. I've got tomatoes there, I've got beans there. These are all different flowers. So that's that. We'll now go through my shed. Out. Rob wasn't here with us this morning, but he's come down. Gillian made them, so I've put them in. They're made out of wool with a flat planting. So where hens are lying down. Rob's is finished planting that one up. That one was already planted up. Strawberries there. There's another one there. As I say, we'll be putting the flowers that are grown in there. I'll go around there. These beds are still need sorting out. That's a job what we're going to do, to pull this bed to bits, drop that one in. If we come into here, sprouts, kale and peas, which seem to be doing okay in here. So we'll get them a bit of water before we leave. So basically that's it. I've just been spending most of the day in the greenhouse bit doing the flowers. So we'll catch you again later on. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. So bye for now.
Down the DRD allotment, grafting in the sun, seeds in the soil and the growing's just begun. Greenhouse warm and the bed's all neat. Nothing beats fresh veg you've grown to eat. Dig it, plant it, watch it grow. Bit graft a day, harvest tomorrow. Like, subscribe before ye gan. DRD allotments, see you next time.